Hello, your viewer. It's been a long time since I pleased you with a really valuable life hack. This will be a real find for any man. Be sure to watch this video to the end, and most importantly subscribe at the beginning of the video. This will help my channel be useful to more people. First of all, I suggest learning how to make a durable mount for any tool. Use a wooden block as a base. Attach the angle grinder. For convenience, make a stand that will provide plenty of range of movement. We are marking a hole for future work. Now, working with wood will be safe and fast. Just don't forget to purchase a special attachment for your angle grinder for working with wood. But that's not all for today. This device can be improved even further. We make an additional hole to secure the handle. Ready. Now, you have a real handheld woodworking machine that will save you and your work. Be sure to try working with wood this way. Thank you for watching. Show this video to a friend and stay up to date with everything new in the world, fix and fast. Subscribe and like. See you again.